Leitung mun tom ma om Zomi nu le pa u le now akwama pel damoji in ZNTV Kaalsim Thuthak Taangkona live program panin ongwa keking ke kamilia ongboi hi tu ni kaw kha December somle sagi tu ni le somni le thum ni pi ni Sunday ni ta kong tangko ding ka kha sung tu piang thulu somle thum ke helding hi ZNTV tanu nu jing Bachelor of Science nga lungdam pi na tu sa khopia teng phaiza khomi pa su twangi ai ma azi tang sian ap nu le ZNTV a kum nga sung ahun le asiam na te iksuk lo aung ki pekhya nu jing sian nim jing in zani December somle guk tu ni le somne thum ni in Oklahoma State University OSU Stillwater panin Bachelor of Science in Business Administration Major Accounting Bachelor of Science gwazo na lukhunel kai honga the ahi manin ZNTV sunga amapan pi tanu khempe win nakpi takin kalungdam pi u hi ibyak pasianin nu jing anei lai maswan khempe gwazo na matut na hung piak sak to lai ta hen Tonjang sang zum ki ha abesa December somleli tunil somle thumni jing sangnai gu kim pol in tonjang khopi khowung lei sanweng sang in pike ya om sang zum amin ki thelo mi po khal in hal in tai mang u chi thu ki za hi mi pi in phok man hi manin ki del pa in me ki phel man hi ami ko chi aki thelo hangin ni dang pek pana tonjang khopi asu senuam CNF te so tak ma te ma hiding in ki ngai sun chat hi US kumpi in gong tat ki pona in chamte US State Department in Kaalsim sunga PDF min pwa tengle KNDF KNLA CDF chi te ngong tat ki pona terrorist group in achepte na thu u Taangkona bol u hi US Foreign Minister State Department noi a Development Service Group DSG leitung mun tom gam tom a ngong tat na terrorist lam to ki sai thu kan in a enjan ki pona Global Terrorism Trends and Analysis Center GTTAC for the US Department of State there in GTTAC regularly monitors violence around the world and submits an annual report to the Bureau of Counterterrorism under the US Department of State pan in November somthum tunle somle thumni in tuswa bol u hi tutunga US State Department in Kaalsim sunga ngong tat ki pona terrorists achepte thak thau toy ki pona teng ahi le Karen National Liberation Army KNLA People Defense Force PDF Karenni Nationalities Defense Force KNDF le Chin Defense Force CDF chi teng mo na nei lo mi pi te tunga atasia na u hang in ngong tat ki pona terrorist group in acham te u ahi hi tune somni le ni kumsung in Kaalsim sung a mo na nei lo mi pi te bo sia na zathum le som kwal khat ve om in mi tu ni le zale som thum in si na tuak in hingong tat na sung a PDF min pwa te gam tat na pen 50% pha in cham te u hi US State Department in Hibangin Gan hi the People's Defense Force PDF was the main perpetrator of incidents in Myanmar in 2022 responsible for 198 incidents 50% of all incidents ji in Kigel hi Chinland Defense Force CDF tengong tat na pen somnila kwa ve hi in 7% pha hi US Department in Hibangin Gan hi Chinland Defense Force CDF was responsible for 29 incidents 7% ji in Kigel hi Karenni Nationalities Defense Force KNDF tengong tat na somnila sagi ve hi in 7% ma pha hi US State Department in Hibangin Gan hi the Karenni Nationalities Defense Force KNDF for 27 incidents 7% chi bang in hoi takin cham te u hi hingong tat na pen thau to kap na shootings 38% landmine sia na or IEDS 21% le bomb sia na bombing 19% chi bangin chamte u hi hita sung a Karen National Liberation Army pen Karen National Union noya om in Chin Defense Force CDF pen CNA te khut noya om hi in PDF pen Kaalsim gal tai kumpi Exile Government National Unity Government NUG te khut noya omu hi in hichang atun na ding a apanta teng jong peng twan loading chi na hi posia na tha na athuak te pen CDM lut lo man le ga kap council tung a thupwak chi mo man na tampen chin thuswa na a gelu hi US kumpi in thu khat pe kip second atang ko ma in akiching mo man na data tampi kai khom in kim takin ane khit uchang in atang ko pan u zong a hi US Department of State in Kaalsim boina sunga thau toy ki pol na PDF People Defense Force akichiteng le CDF Chinland Defense Force te pen democracy nga na ding a ga do hilo in mimal phatom na ding ka dong migilo ki pona terrorist ki pona in na cham te tau a hi man in sumle pai to apan pi te US kumpi in theile kumsom pan kumsom ni dong thong ke thei chi na a hi Tobek tamlo in PDF te pen leitunga migilo ki pona terrorist organization asang pen tumna a na cham te son lai a hi US kumpi in migilo ki pona a chap te khat pen US kamsunga citizen a hi hin le a hi nai lo kwa ma deidal lo hi mi khat pe in sumle pai van zat khat pe to ipan pi kha ka hong ki theile to pen US kumpi thukun pa sat in hong cham te ban a thongkum tampi ke thebek thamlo in kogam zong hong ki puak ki thei thu a hi US kumpi in terrorist panpi na pen alip khap pen mo na khat a hi US tukunin hibangin gen hi the Anti-terrorism Act also created 18 USC 2339B, which makes it unlawful within the United States or for any person who is subject to the jurisdiction of the United States anywhere to knowingly provide material support to a foreign terrorist organization that has been designated by the Secretary of State in US in Tukune Uhi. Zoswan tel wang teung chata may nitum tunle samne tumni Manipur buaina kipara kipan Manipur gam impal ke maom Zoswan may te ten ong tha sakte December somletli tunle samne tumni in India gam Supreme Court te thupyak na to impal khosung a zato JMINS le rims a ki koiteng helicopter zangin kang popi a luang som lukwa le lamka a luang som li le khat ki pwakhi kang popi a ki pwakte vuina ki nei khin a lamka ki pwakte pen December somni ni in vuina nei ding in thunei te in ganu hi hitu piang kom kal a me te te sung a zong boina lian pi piang hi to a boina u a hi le zo son te to ki do na a me te asite alwang u tampi a omna ki thelo a hi man in a in kwan pi te in Manipur kumpi tung a kata te luang hong pi khemeng meng un chi in na se takin nget na bol u hi Alive na Zomi Cup football tournament nom takin lo ching abesa December somle guk tune somle tum Saturday ni in ta khai kwa a Alive na Zomi football tournament nom tak ki bo chi thu ki za hi hikidem na a dar khar kwa sung le khotom tom pan ki mol team som ki hel in muno mama hi tournament a pu balun min thang XMP ZCD in zinmang ding in bapang the hi tutunga ki mol team teng a hi le khatna book pil FCA nitna book pil FCB tumna paltang FC lina tonjang FC ngana bapi FC gukna champagne FC sigitna darkai ZYA FC Getna Darkai Baby FC, Guana Darkai Pangkom FC, Somna Darkai Lungtuak FC Chitang Nasatakin Kidem Uhi, Tutung Kidem Na Champions at YA Darkai in Honga A, Trophy Medal Le Patona Sumtang Tengsagi Kipyahi, Runner Up Ben Tonzang FC in Honga in, Medal Le Patona Sumtang Tenga Kipyahi, Second Runner Up Ben Bapi GSA team in Honga Ua, Patona Sumtang Tengtum Kipyahi, Alina Paltang FC in Honga Ua, Patoina sumtang tengkhat ki pya hi Zomi football tournament pen pu chin lian kha in tedem khopia a om lai pana hongpat khat tournament khat a hi chi banga kho hun siat kom kal a Zomi te kho khat ki pum khalin kilom ta theina dinga vai hong hom khia makai te le a ki hel kha khem pe za tak na lian pi pya hi Leitung thu thang tom thu puak pu khom pau Israel ga kap kwasi Northern Gaza shijaya mun a Palestinian thau toy ten Israel ga kap te na ambush o ahi man in Israel ga kap mi kwasi in mi nga liam hi chi in IDF ten gen hia u hi Israel ga kap asiteng lakpan azalian ni ki hel chi in IDF in gen u hi Israel in Gaza tuipi to sobding Israel ga kapte in kasagi sungbang Gaza akibusa Hamas te asimna a azo pak thelo na pen Hamas ten leinoi ko hom hoi tampi na nei u to ko hom te a kibuthe u hi tuina hi le Israel te in tuipi pan tuila in Hamas te ko hom teng a tui sun ding gya na nei u a zong ready ta hi chi in US ne te in gen kya u hi Taiwan President election omding Hongtung ding General Kha Sometumni Chang Taiwan President kitel na omding a hikitel na pen aswakta gam a tom omding mo China khutung kik ding chi thu lunglut hwai ma por khat om hi a hangin President adem ding telak a China to aki uwi tuima ma zong por khat om chi u hi Kogam leitung bupa bengtam aching pen kamin ki chamte kogam pen leitung bup a tunile somile thumkum bengtam aching pen in ki chamte a Afghanistan gam khengto ta chi in UNODC United Nations Office for Drugs and Crime UN kipona mengkhat in December somlanga tunile somile thumni in tangko khya u hi Pakistan ga kap somni le thumsi Pakistan gam nitum na lama om kiba Pakistan khwa army post up December somle thum tunle somni le thumni in migilo khat bom to lut in abom pok to kham khom a hi man in Pakistan ga kap somni le thumsi in som thum le liliam u hi chi in Pakistan tunei te in gan u hi China gam a meileng ki pu kha abesa December somle nga tunil somle thum ni taklam nai saki hun pol in China gam Beijing khopi leinoya ya tai meileng ni ki pu kha in mizala ni agu kitan ban a mi zanga wa zato ki pwa hi chi in China thunei te in kenu hi aki phut khang nau ahang pen buk tamlo a hi man in meileng lampi ana na pan aki pu kha in thunei te in kenu hi Sumtampi kiman India gam Madhya Pradesh stay a Congress MP kharahi Rija Shahu tenna in India gam Income Tax Department te lut in vasit u a insung dima sumtampi vamasaku hi sumbek ibza le somsagi laguk amad ban a insung dim bizu tom a sum adimin ki ko izi ja lai hi kumpilam te in hi in lim tak chi in ching u a bek na sem te in sum sim na set mal somli jang in nigya sung sim ta u a sim zo nai lo lai hi chi u hi tutunga pen India gam tang thu a sum kiman tam pen in ki cham te hi leitung ki mona thuthak te thupwak pu en lian pau UEFA Europa League Group Stage Match Day 6 of 6 Europa League te December somleli tunil somle thum in Group Stage zota u a kimo po khat te gwazo na le gwal na te en sukni Union Saint Gilois FC le Liverpool FC te nasatakin kisui u a Liverpool FC te ni khat to lel u hi match 6 of 6 Liverpool FC te lalma le round of 16 bel lut ve lai u hi West Ham FC le Freiburg FC te nasatakin kisui u a West Ham FC te ni bem to zo u hi Real Betis FC le Rangers FC te nasatakin kisui u a Rangers FC te thum ni to zo u hi Brighton FC le Marshall FC te nasatakin kisui u a Brighton FC te khat bem to zo u hi numei tuk peng thuthak te UEFA Women Champion League abesa December somle thum tunile somle thum ni in UEFA Women Champion League Group Stage Match Day 3 of 6 kisui na po khatte Barcelona FC le Rosengard FC ten nasitakin kisui u a Barcelona FC ten gugbem to zo u hi December somle li tunil somnil thumni a kisui po khatte en sukni Bayern Munich FC le Ajax FC ten nasitakin kisui u a khat to kisikim u hi Paris FC le Real Madrid FC ten nasitakin kisui u a Paris FC in ni khat to zo u hi Paris PSG FC le Roma FC te nasatakin kisui u a Paris PSG ten ni khat to zo u hi Chelsea FC le Hacken FC te nasatakin kisui u a bem to kisikim u hi UEFA Champion League Pasal Group Stage Match Day 6 of 6 Manta abesa December somle ni tunile somle thumni in Champion League Group Stage zona akisui pol khatte Arsenal FC le PSV FC te nasatakin kisui u a khat to kisikim u hi Real Madrid FC le Union Berlin FC te nasatakin kisui u a Real Madrid FC ten thumni to zo u hi Bayern Munich FC le Man U FC te nasatakin kisui u a Bayern Munich FC in khatbem to zo u hi December somle thum tunle somle thumni akisui po khatte Man City FC le Cervena Zvezda FC te nasatakin kisui u a Man City FC in thumni to zo u hi Barcelona FC le Antwerp FC te nasatakin kisui u a Barcelona FC in ni thum in lel u hi Dortmund FC le PSG FC te nasatakin kisui u a khat to kisikim u hi Milan FC le Newcastle FC te nasatakin kisui u a Milan FC in ni khat to zo u hi Masal tukpeng UEFA Europe League และ UEFA Champion League แต่ Group Stage โซเสียงตัวกิน UEFA Champion League in round of 16 adding December สมเลยกัดตุเนสมนิเลทุมนี้ in non copy Switzerland draw boarding อุฮี February สมนิเลทุมตุเนสมนิเลทุมนี้ in non copy มาUEFA Europa League then draw boarding อุฮี ZNTV Kaalsim Thuthak Taangkonaเป็นลุงดำบอกกุมทักสูงกิตองดิ่งกุมทักขิดจางหงกิปันกิกนุงจีคงเทสกุฮีลุงดำตู้นี้Taangkonaฮิจาองในหินิง ZNTV ท้าวองเปีย Zomi อากวามเปียวตุงลุงดำมาอิงเกกมิลเลียองบอยฮี